Hey there from Harvesting Power Tech. Today, we're diving into some high-stakes action, revealing the real dangers these heroes face every day. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Unbelievable, the giant crane lifted the plane up in a breathtaking moment, but suddenly it collapsed. A terrifying collision, the plane fell, creating a scene of utter chaos and panic. No doubt, this driver has mastered his truck through countless trips. But this was no ordinary moment, skidding on that dirt road turned every second into a dangerous gamble. When the crosswinds knocked the C-123 Thunder Pig off course, the pilot remained calm. With great skill, he flew the plane safely back, a truly amazing performance. Seriously, this is exactly why parking on the tracks is prohibited. Wow, that was an amazing slide. His control technique was pure mastery. In a surprising turn of events, the crane suddenly broke in half, while pulling the truck ashore, causing the giant vehicle to fall with a loud noise. I have watched this scene many times over the years, and it never ceases to amaze me. The power that modern hydraulic systems can produce is amazing. The cutting edges and joining surfaces are amazing. Like a grown man tearing a piece of cardboard, it is mind-blowing power. Moving 30 tons of cargo on a dusty road is no easy task. The truck can slide at any moment, losing momentum and control. But with a Kenworth T800 tractor by your side, every challenge becomes easy. Drop one in the comments if our videos amaze you. Your support fuels our creative fire. How many guys can actually do this on their big cars? Not many. I suspect only Americans have the confidence and skills to face this challenge. I bet he had an argument with his wife while driving this car, and that was the cause of this unfortunate accident. In a completely unexpected scene, the crane carrier suddenly knocked over the crane while moving near the shore, creating a chaotic scene. Facing fierce winds with the crane raised high, the boom struck the safety buffer with a deafening crash, bending and warping under the relentless force. It was a battle between man and nature. An exhilarating display of raw power and endurance, the Mack R600, carrying a heavy load, hurtling through the rough, muddy road with pure adrenaline. Coursing through the engine, every bump, every slip, was a testament to the power and determination behind the wheel.
Me lo meten. Ahí sí.
Usted lo ve. No lo suelta.
It was an unforgettable feeling for him. Oh my God, what a mess. The whole place was in chaos, with debris flying everywhere, and the air was filled with smoke. That tractor was really impressive, and miraculous that not a single tractor tire was punctured. Yeah, that's how it happened. I stuck my head under the bridge. Once too, but I felt it right away, so I slowed down. Always remember this. This game only has one life, and fortunately he didn't encounter any problems, such a reckless move, and still being safe. It's a miracle. A tense and fleeting scene, the truck rushed in, quickly dispersing the crowd. Blink and watch as the tractor battles to control a loaded trailer, the weight shift rendering. Soviet engineers created these monsters, and to this day, no other car can compare. These giant machines still retain their power and might. The man underestimated the weight of his car, and he paid the price. One wrong calculation, and the consequences were immediate. Unfortunately, the car lost balance when dumping the dump truck, causing both the car and the load to tilt. A small mistake, but with huge consequences. The Macker 600 set off with 85 tractor in Honduras, but the massive beast, loaded with logs, got stuck on a steep slope. The sheer weight and terrain left it stranded in the middle of the jungle. Oh no, what a situation! The bulldozer operator overestimated his machine's capabilities, and the bulldozer got stuck deep in the mud. He had no choice but to call for help from the mighty crane to get him out of this predicament.
In the end, he made it, but only with the help of an excavator. Such mistakes lead to loss of time and additional costs.
It was beautiful coming out of the tunnel and maybe many. People don't know that this historic train passed through. It was always a thrill to see him. Then another detail was the smoke coming out of that. An unforgettable sight. This is amazing! This railway is located in Thailand. It is dangerous but very interesting. It will be on my list of things to do. He is very confident in his driving abilities. But sometimes overestimating his skills can lead to unexpected challenges. Bunben MCC Hun with a battle of wills. The car struggled with every ounce of power it had, the tires spinning helplessly on the icy, snow-covered road. It was as if the road itself was determined to stop it. Every inch felt like a fierce struggle. The bulldozer roared to life, pulling out the truck stuck after the flood. With sheer power and determination, it fought through the mud and debris, inch by inch, until the truck was freed from the watery grip of the disaster. Do you like what you see? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates on our content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Harvesting Power Tech.